Hello students, welcome back to online classes of St. Thomas School. This video is on the maths of class 6. In last video, we have finished up to exercise 4.2 and in this video we are going to start exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. Here figure is given, you have to name the angles. First of all, how many angles are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 angles are there. How to write? Angle A, this is angle B, angle C and angle D. Angle A you can write angle DAB. Angle B, that you can write ABC. Here it is given. Then angle C you can write BCD or DCB, that is written here. Okay. So you have to show the symbol of angle. This is the symbol. And whatever angle you are going to show, that letter will come in the middle. For example, you are going to write angle B. Then here this angle will come in the middle. And you have to write this angle ABC. So angle ABC, it means here you have shown angle B. So let's see the answers. First angle ABC, that is this one, angle B. Second one CDA, it means angle D. Next DAB, this is the DAB, it means angle A. And DCB, so it means angle C. Next, question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points. A. In the interior of angle DOE. Where is the angle DOE? Here is D, O and E. So in the interior of this angle, which point it is? A. Okay, so answer is A. Next, in the exterior of EOF. Here it is a E, O and F. Exterior, it means outside. Which points are given? C. Here angle, this point A and point D. Here this is the angle, and outside of this angle 3 points are given, C, A and D. Next, angle EOF. On angle EOF. So here angle EOF. So 4 points are there, you can see here, F, O, B and E. Question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. So this is the one angle and here point A and here it is the second one. So you can see this is the first angle and here is the second angle. So two angles we have drawn and they both have one point common, that is a O. Second one, 2 points in common. So 2 points. Let me draw this figure. Second one, this is the one angle, first angle, here A, here B and here point O. This is the first angle. Now second one, this one, here point B, O and D or C, whatever name you can give. So this is the first one and here is the second one. So you can see in both the angles point O and point B is common. Here it is given, that is little bit difference. So whatever I have drawn, that you can draw in your notebook. Next, third, 3 points in common. Here you have to draw only 2 angles, that is mentioned in the question. Draw rough diagrams of 2 angles. So you have to draw only 2 angles. So this is the first one and here is the second one and 3 points in common. So you can check here, first one, second one, third one. Okay. Next, 4 point. Here you can see some mistakes are given. Actually this example is C and here it is a D. In a C 3 points are common, that is, sorry, both are same only. So here 1, 2 and 3 points common. This is C, this is D. Here 1, 2 and 3 points common. No need to write this F1. Here printing mistake is there actually. Here 4 points are common. O, D, C and A. Next, one ray in common. Here you can see two angles, first one and second one. In both, this ray OA, that is a common. Next, exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC. So, triangle ABC you have to draw. Mark point P in its interior. So, inside the triangle, anywhere you have to mark point P. And point Q in its exterior. So, here outside, exterior means outside. Somewhere outside you have to mark point Q. And point A is in exterior or interior. So, here you have to say that point A, that in the exterior or in the interior. But here you can see A is neither interior of the figure nor the exterior of figure. It is on a vertex, or we can say it is on a triangle. Second one, identify 3 triangles in the figure. First one, you have to identify 3 triangles, A, B, D. ABC, first one, then ABD, this is the second one, third one ADC, and this is the third one. B, write the names of 7 angles. So, angle ADB, this is the first one, ADB, ADC, this is the second one, next ABD, third one, ACD, fourth one, BAD, fifth one, CAD, and one full angle, BAC. So, total 7 angles are there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, one full angle, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, write the names of 6 line segments. So, you have to write the names of line segments AB, AD, AC, BD, DC and full BC. Okay. Which 2 triangles have angle B as a common? First triangle ABD and second one ABC. These both triangles have angle B as a common. So, here exercise 4.4 is over.